Hi, I'm Mary Jo, and welcome to Evergreen Essentials presented by SageSure. I'm here to talk you through the complex world of insurance, simplify terms, and help put your mind at ease. Today we're talking about managed repair programs. A managed repair program is a service offered by many insurance companies to ease the burden of home repairs after a covered loss, like a storm or water damage. Discovering damage to your home can be stressful and overwhelming, but that's where a managed repair program comes in. When you report a covered insurance claim, your insurance company connects you with a network of contractors carefully vetted for quality and reliability, ensuring that your repairs are done right, on time, and within budget. The process is straightforward. Once you select a contractor, they assess the damage, provide an estimate to the insurance company, and once approved, begin the work. After you pay your deductible, your insurance company takes care of everything, including managing payments with the contractor while keeping you informed and ensuring a smooth process from start to finish. The next time you face unexpected home damage, don't waste time stressing over it. Remember, a managed repair program can keep repairs hassle-free. With a managed repair program, you're still in the driver's seat, making all important decisions about the repairs to your home. You select the contractor from an approved list, and all repairs are completed at the highest level of quality. Contact your insurance provider to find out what offerings are available with your policy. To learn more about managed repair programs, visit our blog in the description below.